President, Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates and colleagues, one kingdom consisting of 4 countries, being the Netherlands in Europe and the autonomous island countries of St. Maarten, Curaçao, and Aruba in the Caribbean. As Prime Minister of St. Maarten, I address you today on behalf of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, but on the SIDS perspective that we face as Caribbean countries. All 4 countries are no stranger to battling the effects of climate change. St. Maarten, Curaçao, and Aruba, as SIDS, are particularly vulnerable to the consequences of climate change, natural disasters, and external factors that lead to shocks within our economy. On the one hand, we face a spectrum of challenges when it comes to climate adaptation and resilience. However, on the other hand, we have limited means to tackle this ever-growing vulnerability. Inequality within society is magnifying globally and rapidly. Therefore, it is necessary for us as SIDS to work together towards economic diversification and sustainable development, and to do so now. Under the topic of blue economy and water, SIDS also bear the negative impacts of overfishing and ocean pollution. Developing a blue economy strategy can strengthen economic and climate resiliency. We must therefore identify opportunities and policy gaps, but also define financing mechanism for the implementation of blue economy projects. This will also create an opportunity to preserve and protect our oceans and inland waters, as they are a part of the identity and heritage of Aruba, Curaçao, and St. Maarten. To achieve the above-mentioned goals, SIDS therefore require the necessary support and technical assistance. We, as SIDS, support the research on developing a multidimensional vulnerability index, as it can address the specific needs of vulnerable countries such as ours. Despite all these challenges, the Kingdom of the Netherlands remains determined. Crises can lead to a better collaboration and problem solving, but it requires understanding, willingness, determination, and investment in our people. Therefore, strengthening capacity and creating opportunities